Hi, my name is Brad Vandenberg. I work for a company called Human Proof Designs, where we teach online marketing, and we also provide websites for affiliate marketers. Also, my wife and I are online entrepreneurs for the last several years, and particularly in our business, I was often dealing with hosting concerns. So we would do something like a product launch, or we would have like a massive breakthrough in a large Facebook group with like 250,000 members or something like that would share one of our posts, and invariably our site would crash from the traffic and we would miss out on all that extra traffic. So we monetize our sites mainly with mediavine.com display ads. So you get 10,000 visitors off of a share from a group who shares your post, their 250,000 members. That's equivalent to $100 or $200. So when your site crashes that day and you miss out on all those visitors, you can lose $100 to $200 in one day. Now, if you talk product launches, where it's like a short window, you're releasing a product for 72 hours at this price, and you're dealing with your site being down and stuff like that, it's like the joy killer of online marketing is hosting. So I asked in a Facebook group, I said, guys, I've tried Bluehost, GoDaddy, all of these other ones that a lot of online marketers unfortunately recommend because they pay good commissions and they're in the volume game. And I can guarantee you a successful online marketer does not use Bluehost. WPX hosting is more expensive. It's paid for itself over and over and over because our site is up when we get shared in large groups and get these traffic splurges. So that was the main difference from previous hosts. Our site would be up, it would be fast. Another huge difference too is if there are issues with hosting or your website in general, the customer support, the online chat in the bottom corner is just super responsive. Previous web hosts had like a 30-minute wait time for their live chat. If you wait 30 seconds in WPX hosting, that's long. So chances are they're going to answer you well before the 30-second mark, or at least initiate conversation. And I don't think I've had a single support request that was not solved within 5 minutes, completely solved. That was just huge. So those times when I was contacting customer support in the live chat was like, for example, when I would be building a brand new site and there would be like a plugin issue. I would just hit them up, say, hey, I'm getting this error message on this plugin. Can you help me out? And a few seconds, a minute later, they're like, can you try again? I hit refresh and I'm back to work. Thank you very much. And I always tell them, thanks, you guys are awesome as usual. And honestly, every time it's like that. It's usually an oversight on my part or some little setting that might need to be tweaked, and they do it in seconds, and it's just awesome. So I cannot recommend WPX highly enough. Now, one of the other things I loved about WPX was just the clean interface when you log in. They don't have a cPanel. So as I said, I work for Human Proof Designs. You can see the sign up there. And we do literally hundreds of sites every year for customers. And a lot of people get bogged down with cPanel and it just looks kind of scary. So WPX has a beautiful, clean dashboard and it's just perfectly intuitive to set up a new email address associated with a particular domain, to add SSL to a site, when you're building a new site, how to add WordPress to it. All of those things are easy in cPanel as well, if you know what you're doing. But, I mean, this just takes all the thinking and struggle out of it. And if there is something that you think isn't intuitive and you can't quite find it right away, you can jump on the live chat and they'll solve it for you in seconds. So I just wanted to say a big shout out to Annie, Avelo, Joanna, George, and Dimitri. Hopefully I said your names all right, but you guys have been awesome. I know we don't talk much because you guys always solve stuff for me so quickly when it needs to be. But thank you very, very much. It has truly changed everything about online earning and that kind of thing. So having a portfolio of websites is headache-free on the hosting side of things, thanks to you all at WPX Hosting. So thanks very much, and really appreciate all you guys do.